Afternoon everybody, welcome back to the garden. My name is Tony Smith and this is my garden. So yes, hello everybody, welcome back. There's a bit of a wind up today and there's some gorgeous heat there as well. So maybe the few remaining tomatoes that I've got might turn red. Today is this little darling. This is what I'm tackling today. I'm going to pick the last of these Bloomhilda beans. Is that it now? Have I got it right there now? I'm going to pick the last of them. We've had so many off them. We even took them on holiday as well. And just turn you around with the sun there. I'm going to take that frame down as well. Take the frame down, put some soil in and then put some spinach on. That's the plan for today. Whether that works out or not, who knows? But I've got a lot of picking to do, so I'll get cracking on with that straight away. Also going to get rid of this Cosmo as well. Get up there. Got another little one there. So the idea is I'm going to try and leave the roots in, cut it back, leave the roots in. Yeah, I could do with dyeing it off, but I want the kind of land more than I want the kind of... I'm going to put some goodness on anyways, you know, so let's get cracking. I love it when you can just pull like a nice handful all at one go. It's one of them jobs that it's just never end. I'm getting fed up there now. I've bloody picked those. Look at, come and have a look how many I've picked. Just turn you around there. There's only so many you can eat, kind of thing. And so that's pretty low. That's a one picking off that. So I'm keeping some for seeds as well, just in case. I decided to buy them anyways. But I've also got me, is it Bloomhild? Is that his Bloomhild? Hildy over there as well. So like I say, these ones need to come down. I want to get rid of this. It's a bit kind of rickety there now. This it did for the, what was it? Oh man, she's a wind. It did for the tomatoes, them Crimson Crush last year. And I don't want bits flying off, you know what I mean? Just on the safe side. There you go, the frame is down. That was actually hard to keep the roots in, but I'm going to cut the rest of them. I thought they might just snap off, but you can see, if you haven't seen them little nitrogen nodules, can you just see them there? So I'm going to try and keep some of them in. It was best to kind of slide the plant down than to like pull it off. I planted these on the, I'll show these on the 17th of the 4th. See if I can keep these roots in. Right, just go and fill up and get some compost. So this is the only time I can use a spade and get a shovel and get a shovel, all right, a shovel, and get some in there. Right, get this dug up. I'll have 5 minutes. I swear, it's so warm, it's windy, but it's so warm. Mind you, talking about the compost, this is the time, if you want to, you know, if you're doing the kind of your no-dig method, from now onwards, start as much as you can putting it on 2 inches, at least 2 inches there, get it on, and it's just, this is where it just beds everything in, keeps everything nice, and come the spring, it keeps all them weeds down. It's just fantastic. So this was my, if you remember, the what wood chippings that came, but it was mixed with, like say, last year's compost in from there. I kind of mixed it all in, and you can kind of see it's just gorgeous stuff, you know what I mean? So just get that on your land, you know, as best you can, whatever you can find, and get it on. So the audio didn't work there for some reason, I don't know why, but there we go. So I've got the perpetual up there, and that, I forgot what it's called there now, Lazio F1, and you know, soon straight away, it doesn't like being disturbed. That didn't have much roots, so hopefully they'll come, these ones, you know. I've given them a good water, so, but the perpetual looks all right there, you know what I mean. I might sow a little bit more, just to see, you know, just keep things going. So I'll be taking the rewards back home there. It's just like, we've been eating these all the time. With truth, we're a bit sick of them. But I quite like it now, you know what I mean? If you have a look, it's a different, I love changing the shape of it. Yeah, I know these are kind of permanent, these beds, but you know, that's been a feature for 2 years. Do you know what I mean? So, and now it's gone, it's a little bit of history gone there. Getting all sentimental with the old garden there. So if you like what you're seeing here on this channel, do think about subscribing. Subscribing doesn't cost you anything, and all it means is you'll get notified a little bit quicker when I put videos up and new releases and everything like that. Give a thumbs up and hit that bell icon, and that bell icon's the best thing to kind of let you know when I'm putting videos out. Thank you. So I'm quite chuffed with that, to be honest. It's I think the wind's actually dying down there now, and hopefully tonight as well, if you want, you'll see me live on Sean James Cameron's site. I'm coming back up, we're doing like a little interview. Sean's doing like a special program over there, so try and have a look out for that as well. So look after yourselves, take good care.